Hello my friends, welcome back to Homewood Spirit. This is your Vladimir speaking. Today I have prepared for you two videos about how to make a wooden bowl for a soup and a spoon. This first part will be about how to make this spoon, and in the second part you will see how I made this wooden bowl. Before I start, let me please share with you 3 benefits I can see on wood carving. So the first benefit is that it's really relaxing hobby. I can see it on myself, and I can see it on people who are coming into my workshop. I have here, for example, sales representative, I have here architect, and all these people, when they come here, I just literally don't know about them. They are so fully minded in the project that I can see only their deep breathing. So it's really stress relieving hobby. I really recommend it for you. So that was first benefit. The second benefit I can see is that it's really great gift. Every time I give something I made from wood to someone I love or to some friend I really like, they are truly happy about it. Why? It's because we store there our time, we store there our energy, we put there our love, and people just can see it from it. So the second benefit, it's a great gift. And the third benefit, it's a little bit connected with the second benefit is that it's an energy storage. How to explain this? Every time I make something, for example, when I make this bowl, I concentrate on how will I eat from it, how will I use it, how will I feel while using it, and I get really excited about it. I put my love in it, I put my energy in it, and every time I use it, it shines back on me. So for example, when I have a bad day or something's not right in my life, and I look at my wooden products or I use them in everyday's life, they just recharge me back with the energy I put in them. So these were 3 benefits I can see on wood carving, and now the promised video about how to make a wooden spoon, the first part. So enjoy and have fun. forget to subscribe, watch another part of this video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.